Hi, it's me again with Corel Dull Tips and Tricks Part 3. I wasn't going to make this, but I started playing around with the colors and I had a little shading and I'm going to make that a little bit heavier in the hairline. And you can see I've got a shadow underneath the triangle and I've got a little shadow underneath the cut part. So to mimic that all the way around, you'd have to do them individually because you're going the opposite direction, but you don't have to. Let's move these out of the way. We're still working in the center of the page. Control D to make a duplicate. Move your center rotation to the center. Whenever this happens, it maybe means you have something not grouped together. Let me back up here. Let me group this together. Control G. Now we can move this out of the way. Control D to make a duplicate. Whenever you whenever your center rotation won't work, there's a reason. You either got too many copies or it's not grouped together. Have a little bit of trouble. There we go. Now rotate this 120 degrees. Control D. And you didn't have to do the interactive fill tool but once. The shadow still looks the same on all of them. And I've got one more video coming. I'm going to try to do something in the center here that might be cool. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.